Just watch the behavior of this man. Just watch the behavior of this man. I just get a food right now. Trying to eat. And they're using a license. That's the kind of a behavior. This is the kind of a behavior. Well, you can just say who you are. Do you want interested in something? You want a song? You don't have to be like shitting on yourself. You can just say who you are, where you at. That's it. If you are available, huh? If you are available, you are. Or speak like a man. You gotta speak like a guy. You don't have to speak like a girl. I will start to smile. These ladies sitting out here. It's looking like a girls. We are free. You want to say who you are with? I've never seen any people who is more bullshit than them. Don't listen to them anymore. They are so hating, man. Oh my goodness. You know, I'm getting sick of you, you know. I don't wanna know that you are. That's how much I hate you. Get out. Get the fuck out of here. Get out. Get the fuck out of here. Trying to feel me like they are here.